Jumia.
Yes, welcome everybody. Welcome to today's class. Today it's day 30 of our web development course. And today sums up the final day, the final front-end day. This is the completion of front-end development. Okay, so members, today we are going to complete front-end development. Okay, those of you who have moved with me all this far, today is the final day, okay, of front-end development. We are going to complete front-end development, okay, front-end development today, okay, so today we are going to complete our course with a project, okay, and it's going to be a very big mega project, okay. Okay, so today is day 30 and today we are basically completing the front-end development. Okay? Okay, so we are going to complete everything that you can see on the web browser. Okay? Okay, so members, I want you to hold on tight. We are going to go. And today, I am going to bring for you, we are going to do, for example, this one here, Jumia. One of the most powerful, big selling websites all over the nation today. Okay, so members, as you can see, this is an e-commerce website, as you can see it here. Okay, we are not going to do some small features, but we are going to do the front end part of it. Okay, we are going to do part of the front end and you'll see how this looks like. Okay, so members, I want you to hold on tight because this is what we are going to do today. This is what we are going to do today. We are going to produce a clone which looks like exactly like this one here. Okay, so members, I want you to hold on tight. Hold on tight. We are going to do this. We are going to build something like this. Okay, so members, today's class is going to just be about this, and we are going to this project here is that it is going to complete front-end web development. Okay, so members, if you have any question, any question, please drop it in the comment section there. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. Okay, if you have any problems with front-end development, please let me know down there in the comment section. I see how I can guide you. Okay, so members, this is what you're going to handle today in today's class. Okay, so members, today we are going to produce a Jumia clone. Okay, a Jumia clone. Okay, and this is what we want to emphasize so much on the front end part of it. Okay, so members, I want you to hold on tight because today's lesson is not very easy. It is not very easy. It requires someone who has prior knowledge about what we have been covering in class. Okay, so members, we are going to start on this Jumia clone. Okay, but to build this Jumia clone, here, I want someone who is fully ready with all the concepts at hand, beginning from day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven. This is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. I can copy this and I put here and I paste here and I say, members, you need to be when you have done all these days. You need to be when you have done all these days. Okay? I am going to rewrite them here so that you look at them very well. Okay? This is day 9. I want to put all these days here so that someone can see them very well. Day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14. All these concepts here, as you see them here, to produce to today, day 30, you need to have equipped yourself with all these concepts here because it's going to be really tight. Okay? Okay. The playlist is there. You can check them and you see day 17, day 18, day 19, day 20, day 21. I come here, I put something like this. Day 22, day 23, day 24, day 25, day 26, day 27, day 28. Members, I want to list all these days so that someone cannot forget or someone cannot easily lose out. Day 29, okay? Okay, so this one, even if I remove this, and maybe I remove all this one here, I remove also this one, I remove also this one, I remove also this one, and also I remove also this one. I remove also this one. Okay? Okay. So members, all what we have covered in these days here leads us to this. Okay? It leads us to this. Even if you missed 10 minutes of our class in any of these days, please go back and watch it. Please go back and watch these days here. Go back and watch what we covered in these days here. Okay? Okay. Go back and watch whatever we covered in these days, members. Do not try to approach this day here today when you don't know any prior knowledge regards all this. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14, day 15, day 16, day 17, day 18, day 19, day 20, day 21, day 22, day 23, day 24, day 25, day 26, day 27, day 28, day 29, all leads us to build something like this. Members, you see this? We are going to build this. We are going to build this, members. This is not a walkover. This is not a walkover, members. So, members, I require someone who has prior knowledge in all these days here. Okay? Okay. Today is day 30 and we are going to complete all our front-end web development today. And I require someone who has prior knowledge in these days here. Okay? Make sure you didn't miss any of the days. Okay? Make sure you didn't miss any of the days. Otherwise, you will be stuck. We shall be moving some concepts and you are stuck. Please, members, if you have any questions as regards front end right now, please drop them in the comment section. I see how I can help you. Okay? I see how I can help you, members. Drop any questions as regards any of these days. Maybe it's day 1 was not clear, day 3 was not a little bit clear, maybe day 5 a little bit. You need some more light. Need me to explain this concept a little bit more? Please drop them in the comment section. Okay? Okay. This is the final completion of all these days here, and it sums up what you call front-end web development today. Okay? Okay. So members, I want you, when you're ready, are you ready to start this? We are going to do a clone of this Jumia here. A clone, just a simple front-end clone. A simple front-end clone. Okay? Okay, a simple front-end clone. This is not very easy, members. This is not very easy. It is not very easy at all. Okay? Okay. So, members, I want you to grab hold and we start. Okay? Okay. So, as you can see, my project is here, and this is the day that I'm finalizing. The day that I'm finalizing, I'm going to come here and I open new folder. I open here, new folder. I start. I say Jumia Clone. Jumia Clone. Jumia Clone. Jumia Clone. Okay? Okay, so it looks like this. My folder is that. I've just named it right now. It's like that. I come here. I say here open with code. Open with code. It's my final project, members. I want us to follow. So, members, if you are still stuck, and there is any concept that you don't know here, there's any concept that you didn't understand here, please go back. You can even pause the video, then you play it. You pause, then you play it. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, please ask them. Drop them in the comment section. That there's this topic here that's not a little bit clear. Please explain it to me very well. Okay? Okay. So we are going to go. As you can see, this is my VS Code is here. We are going to start. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here very well. I say index.html. Index.html. I come. It's there. As you can see it there. We're going to do a Jumia clone. Okay? Okay. So it normally takes some time because the extensions, I have a lot of extensions running in the background. But the extensions are done that they delay somehow. They delay the file from loading. Okay, it's there now. So I put here the image very well. As you can see, the image is there. I'm going to put it. It's taking some time. So it's there. So I'm going to come here very well and I say no, I say here style.scss. Okay, it's there. I come here. I come here very well and I say here. I can even put here the global files, partials, as you can see, these are partials. I come inside the partials, I put here underscore, I say here global.scss. So members, if you don't have any prior knowledge about this, please go back and watch those videos. Okay? Okay. So I'm putting here my globals, as you can see it's there. And I come here on style.scss here, and I link. I start here, I say at. I want to come here, I say at. I begin now bringing the globals. I come here, I say at import. I say here globals. Okay, it's like that. So my globals are here. I can come here very well and I say that because this is the global file, it's the overall global file. So I'm going to put here, for example, this is margin 0, margin 0. I come here padding 0, box sizing, border box. Okay, and I come here very well and I say this is now the document title. I can put here Jumia Clone, Jumia Clone. Okay, Jumia Clone. I can let me move this. I put that. Okay, Jumia Clone. As you can see, it's there. Then I come here very well and I say I can even come here and I say here. Now I'm going to give my header. Before I can give all this, I can come here and I say a link CSS. So you're going to link there the CSS very well, as you can see. And I come here very well and I say watch SAS. Okay, it's now watching. It's now watching. Okay, there is some problem here. The problem is very simple. We have here, for example, this is global. So I'm going to come here and say here partials. There's some problem here, partials. slash global. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Okay. So I hope I hope the error is gone here. Okay. So as I come here very well, yeah, it's here. Now the style.css is here, the map is here, the tree map is here. So everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. Okay. Okay. So as you can come here and see that I can come here right now. I'm going to put the header. When I look at my Jumia clone here, it has a header. 1, 2, 3. The header is divided into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. So I come here very well and I say header. Under my partials, I can even come here and say header. But can I divide the header into 3? Okay, I can divide the header into 3. There's no problem with that. So I come here and I say header. Header. So members, if you did cover any class, if you dodged any class, if you missed any class members, please go back and watch it, okay? Okay, so I come here, I say here header, and I bring here, for example, I now first link it back. I link it back. I come here very well and say at import, and I bring here, for example, it's like that. I close there. I say here partials slash header. As you can see, it's there. Okay, okay. So the header is there. I come here very well, and I say here header. Header tag very well is there. I come here very well inside the header. I bring it. I say here header. I say here I can give it here, for example, width. I say here 100%. I come here very well and I say here height. I come here, I say for example 15. Maybe 15 VH looks small. Maybe let me say 30 VH. I say it looks like. And I come here. I say background color. I say background color orange red. Orange red. And I say it looks like. And first say it looks like. So when I come here, I'm not seeing what I'm doing. I come here and I say go live, and I see what I'm doing. So it is there. Okay. Okay. So what I'm building and what I'm aiming to do is this. Okay. Okay. So when I see this one is a little bit it's a little bit wide a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm building something like this. So there is the first header, there is the second header, and there is the third header. So I can call it as the top bar. Some I call the top bar, but me I can just call them whatever I want. Maybe first header, maybe second header, like that. So I can come here very well and I say here header, and I come here and say maybe top bar one. Dot top bar. Top bar one. Or I can even call them, I can call them anything. Top bar, anything. Top bar one. And I come here inside the header, I say top bar one. I now come inside the header here, inside the header, and I say here the top bar one. Dot top bar one. Okay? And I come here, for example, and I give it width. I give it, for example, 100%. And I come here height. Height, I can give him, for example, like how many? I can give maybe 10 VH, and I come here and give him, for example, background color. I can maybe say this is green. Okay? Okay, so how to say it looks like? Okay, it looks like this. Okay? I'm trying to emulate this one which is on top. Top face like that. Okay? Okay, high sense like that. Okay, so this is going to be the first header, and then there is the second header I can see here, and the third one. So let me, if I see this one, the second header is a little bit small. I can come here very well and I say inside the index, I come here very well and I say the top bar. The top bar 2. And I come here very the top bar 2 is there. And I come here very well and I say the top bar 2. And I say here this is width 100%. And I come here very well and I say this is height height is maybe if the height is let me just say maybe this one is a little bit like 6 VH. Okay, and I give you a background color. Background color I can maybe say gray. It wants to look like a gray color. Okay, so as you can see, it's this one. Then the one which is down is the one which is white. You see the white one here. So this one here inside this one here is white in color. That one is white in color. Okay. Okay. So members, you're going to handle each and everything. Just feel tight. Just be on track. You're going to handle each and everything. Okay. Okay. So members, as you can see here, there is a hero section. Here there is a hero section, and the hero section is red in color. You see, there is a hero section. Okay. Okay. So members, as you can see, there is a hero section here, and you come here very well, and I say, I can even create one for the hero section. Come here very well, and I say, this is hero section. Okay. Dot HCSS. I come here very well. It's good. I come here. I come here and I say, this is add import. Add import. And I say here partials. And I say here partials. Then I say slash hero section. Hero section. Everything is very good for someone to plan for these things even before you begin, because it's not really easy. Okay. Okay. So the hero section is there, as you can see it. I hope there are no errors here. Let me see. Okay, so the hero section is there, and here when I come here down, below the header, I come here and I say the hero section, the hero section. Then I come here like this and I say now it's the problem. What is happening? I'm writing HTML in CSS in HTML. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Okay, and I come here and I say dot hero section, dot hero section. Then I come here and I say this is width, and I give here, for example, 100%. Then I come here and I say height. And the height, what height can I give it? For example, if the other one was 30 VH, they give this one maybe 70 VH, as you can see. And I give you a background color, maybe background color, I give it, for example, red. Okay? Okay. And so it looks like, wow, 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 wow. It's good, it's good, it's good. So, members, as you can see, I want to go back on my header, my top bar. I even give you a top bar, the top bar 3. In my index here, I don't have top bar 3, so I have to put it. Because the top bar 3 is this one here. Use the top bar 3, it's this one here, the one which is white in color. I have not put that one. So I come here and I put it here. The top bar 3. Then I come here very well and I say it's there. Then I come here in the hero section. Now the header. And I say here the top bar 3. And I come here very well and I say this is width 100%. And I come here and I say this is height. And I said this is maybe 24. Can 24 VH work for us there? Okay, it can try to work for us. 24 VH. Is it 14 VH? And I come here and say background color white. Okay. Okay. So I want to say it looks like this. Okay. Members, wow. Wow, 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 wow. So members, we are just some few steps away from achieving what we are seeing here. Okay? Okay, our clone is like this, as you can see. It's like this. Okay? there is a hero section, there is a header divided into 3 parts. Okay? Okay. So members, I can do anything that I want. I can do anything that I want here. Okay? Okay. So there's a top bar, there's the first one, there's the second top bar, then there's a third one, as you can see there. Then here there's a hero section, as you can see. So you're just going to create everything which looks like that. Okay? Okay. So I want to copy this exact color. What am I going to do? You see this exact color here. I just come here, there's a tool here. I just click here on the page here. Just click, and I come here. Instead of using this gray here, I just put my color there. So it becomes exactly that color. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? And I can decide even start with that one. It looks the smallest, eh? It looks the smallest. I can even decide start with that one. So here, members, you can see, the drop bar is like this, eh? We're going to build this website very well. Let me first reload here. Looks like this, as you can see. After that hero section, there is normally this one here, sell on Jumia, then pay, force, delivery, something like this, eh? I can now begin with any of those toolbars I see. Then there is this hero section you can see here. You can even begin with the hero section depending on what we want exactly, eh? So there is this hero section, as you can see it there. And here I come here very well. But let me first begin with the top header. Let me first begin with the top bar. Then I make sure everything is good. Okay. Drop weekend. Okay. Then this one here, I can make this one like red. Then this is yellow. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, I can come here. Inside the top bar. Where is the header? The header, as you can see, it is the header is here. So I can come here and index my index here. So this one I can take it this side. We are now concentrating on the header. We want to finish this header, okay? Okay, so I come here very well. Then I come here, for example, in the top bar one, and I put here, for example, inner top bar one, inner top bar one, top bar one. Okay, okay. So the inner top bar one, I come here and I say inside dot inner top bar one, top bar one. Okay, I come like this. I say width. I come, I say width is going to be, for example, like 80%. Then I come here like this and I say height is going to be 10 VH. Okay, okay. So I come here and I say here background color. I can say here is yellow. Okay, okay. So as you can see, and side looks like. No, I'm going to put there red. I've mixed it a little bit. So it's inside the inner top bar. Okay, not inner top bar one, as you can see it's there. So I'm putting here width, this is height 10 VH, like that. Okay, okay. So I want to maybe refresh the page. I see it is there. Okay, okay. So I want to put it, for example, this one is red, it's not yellow, this one is red, it's red. Then I want to put it, for example, in the middle. I come here, display flex. You come here, line item center, justify content center. That's 5 content center. Okay, okay. So it is there, as you can see here. Then this other side it's yellow. As you can see here, it's yellow. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here it is very difficult for someone to get, for example, those exact colors. We have a color picker here, so that's the color I choose. So I come here, instead of this green, I put this color. Okay, okay, so like that. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it becomes like that, as you can see there. And I put here this section here: 1 section, 2 section, 3, 4. There is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay. So there are 4 sections inside that inner container. I come here very well and I say dot inner top bar. I can even, instead of saying top bar 1, I can come here and say dot inner top bar dot inner top bar 1. I can maybe say dot inner small top bar. I can call it even small. Dot inner small top bar 1, like that, as you can see. Dot inner small top bar 1, as you can see, it's this one. Okay, so I'm going to come here. So here, members, you can see it's like this. When you come here, for example, you know there are small sections inside there. Okay, so in a small container, this is like that. I can come here inside. Now I'm coming inside the top bar 1. I come here. I say dot inner small top bar top bar 1. Top bar 1. I come here very well and I say width. I can say this one is maybe like I can say that this one is maybe 20%. And I come here and say height. And I say here 10 VH. And I come and say background color green. Okay, and first see how it looks like inside here. It's like that. Okay, so when I estimate, it's like this: deal drop weekend. Okay, okay. So I come inside here. I say I can even put there deal drop weekend deal drop weekend. Okay, okay. So that's how it looks like. Okay, is it white? No, it's so I'm going to come here and just increase the font size of it. I can come here and say display so here, members, as you can see, it's like that. I come here and I increase the font size. I say font size I say here font size extra large. You see how to see how it looks like. Okay, it's good. Then I come here and say display flex align items center, justify content center. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it comes in the center there. Is it in the center? Let me refresh. So I want to increase its font weight. I can come here and maybe say 600. Deal drop weekend. And why it's not coming in the center? I don't know why it's not coming in the center. I don't know why. It's supposed to be coming in the center right now, but it's not coming in the center. I don't know why. Let me first move this. I see. say here font size, and I say here display flex, I say here line item center, line item center, and I say justify content center. Okay, let's first work on these other features. We shall come back to that. Let's first work on these other features. We're going to come back to that. Okay. I can even give it a very instructive platform. When I say here, I can say here padding X, padding. I can say padding, and I say here 0. Then I say here 0. Then I say here 1 rem. Simple as that. And I see. Okay, it's being forced. And I come here and say maybe 2 rem, maybe 1.5 rem. Okay, it's there. Then I come here and say maybe let me say like 1.7 rem. I see how it looks like. So there, and I come here maybe 2 rem. I see. Okay, maybe 2 rem. I see. Yeah, it's coming in the middle. Maybe I say maybe 2.2 rem. I see. It's there. Somehow it's good in the middle there, as you can see. So it's like that. Okay, I come here 3rd, 5th October. So I come here very well. And I come here, then I say now this one is done, this one is done, this one is done, guys. So I'm not just going to copy this one as you see it here. I come here and I put it there. I come here and I just say here this is that. Okay. And I come here and I say 3rd to 5th October. I come here very well and I say 3rd to 5th October. Okay. Okay. And I come here and I say 3rd to 5th October. 5th October. Okay. Okay, so it's like that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to come and I see how it looks like. I can come here and I even just copy this exactly as it is, because this one is not going to be any different from what I was doing there. So I come here very well and I put this one here, but maybe this one I can just give it, for example, purple, and I see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so I have to see how it looks like inside. Okay, I understand what is happening here. This inner container here you're seeing here is not display flex. Display flex. As you can see, it's there. Okay. Okay, so here, members, you can see it's like this. It's like this. So I'm wondering why it's behaving like this. I'm going to find out why it's behaving like this. Because if I say this is 20%, 20% of that, it should be having something like, maybe let me first remove this, I see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so I understand it looks like. If I come here, for example, I'm tapping the wrong part. Okay. Top bar 2. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's like that, okay? Okay. So this one is more of a straight line, It's more of a straight line. Okay. I think let's first go with that one. Then I come here very well and I add even this one here. Dot help and dot cut. Dot help and dot cut. So I come here like this, I copy this. I bring it here, dot help. And this one I can give it maybe red, maybe blue. And I come here and I give this one here dot cut. Dot cut, and I give this one maybe green. And I give this one green. Okay. Okay. So now members, you can see this one is green. Okay, this one looks good somehow. It looks
looks good somehow, but now it is destroying this search. It is now destroying the button which I had put. It seems the button did not have a fixed width, because if it had a fixed width, that thing would not be happening like that. We are going to analyze what is happening to the button there, and we fix that. We analyze what is happening to the button and we fix that. But now I'm seeing it is destroying this container which is here. So there's an overall container which is outside. There's an overall container which is outside here, and I want to see how it looks like. So the top bar, then here top bar 2, top bar 3, top bar 3. No, top bar 3, I think it's the one which is destroying this one, because when you look at it, it could be there is let me see here, help icon is here. I think it's that one. Yes, it's that one. So they have it, it's there. So the help icon is here. So I can just come, I tap on that one, they bring it for me. Then I just copy. I copy it and I bring it inside the HTML code inside. So when I bring it inside the HTML code, as you can see, it looks like this. I bring it inside the HTML code. Search icon is inside the, not inside the search icon, inside the help icon. So I come here like this, I put it there, and I come here and I say help. Okay. So it looks like that. As you can see, it is like in this random shape which you have it there. So what am I going to do is very simple. I'm going to come here and I increase, I just copy all this as you see it there, from display flex up to align item center, and I bring it and paste it inside that icon for help there. So under where there is the color, I come, I copy everything as you can see it there, I bring it inside the help icon as you see it there. So I come here very well, then I put it inside there. Then I come here, I remove all this background color which is blue. Okay. So after when I remove the background color which is blue, everything is going to be nice. Now everything is good. Everything is good. It looks like that. Okay. Okay. Now everything looks good. But just because now the only problem is that the size, everything is distorted. Everything is distorted. So everything that I'm going to look at, for example, I say background color, maybe blue, and I say it looks like blue. This blue here, this blue underside looks like the blue color you see is everything, it's white. So what am I going to do? I just want to reduce the size a little bit. The size looks a bit like it's destroying everything. So I come here and I say 150 pixels. Maybe for help I see how it looks like. Okay, it's good. Now it looks good there. 150 pixels. I come here and I reduce maybe 130. I see 130 pixels. It looks like okay, it's good there. The way it looks, it's good. So I'm going to come and I apply the same to the account and the cut there, so that it doesn't look overwhelmed inside in between the middle. So I come here and I say this one here is going to be dot cut 130 pixels. This one for cut, as you see it there, 130 pixels. So the cut out, and I've reduced that one. I come here like this on the account, and I reduce also that one to 130 pixels. So after reducing that one 130 pixels, look, everything looks good. A little bit reduced. Everything looks good, but also the space is still big. Maybe let me say 110 and I see. Okay, 110 width. Okay, 110 is somehow good. So I'm going to come here and I also reduce the same for help here, 110, and I see how it looks like 110. And I come here very well and I reduce this one of cut to 110. Okay, okay. So 110, it looks good. So when you come and see, it looks like that. Okay, everything looks a little bit better. So I can come and reduce. Now I remove the background which is blue. Okay, okay. So now the background which is blue is here. I come and remove this one. We all normally put backgrounds to debug. Okay, okay. That's the only thing that we do. So members, as you can see, everything looks to be success on my story, on my side. Okay, everything looks to be a success on my side. Everything is somehow as I want it to be. Okay, everything is somehow as I want it to be. Okay, okay. So this button design which is not like looking like smooth, I can come here on the button itself and I add some bit of border radius on it. The button is here, border radius, I'm not seeing border radius working a lot more. I can come in and I increase the border radius, I increase it to maybe like, let me first try 5% and I see how 5% looks like. Okay, it looks good somehow. And also the border radius, the pixels here, I see like they are too thick. Let me first see if I can reduce them. Okay. Somehow it looks somehow good, but if maybe I can put gray. See how gray looks like, gray. The gray scale, then I see how the gray scale looks like. Okay, it's somehow good. It's somehow good. It's somehow good. Because it wants, I don't want to bring it off like the way even this one has some bit of box shadow and it's very light. Exactly what is happening there is exactly what is happening there here. Okay. Okay, so members, you can see that everything looks good. It looks like a clone of Jumia as you see it there. So members, now what is left of us is only one thing. We have also the header here, the header which is here. Okay. Okay. So I'm seeing another header here where there's like breadcrumbs, for example, home, then everything, then must go. Okay. Those breadcrumbs as you see them there. So I can just come and also put that one. It is top bar maybe 4. I didn't realize that in the beginning. I just realized it right now. And the top bar, that is top bar 4. It's something I ignored a little bit, but it's there. And it's very, very sensitive. So I come here very well and I say that this is top bar. This is top bar 4, as you see it there. So top bar 4 is coming like this, and I bring it here. Top bar 3, top bar 3, as you see, top bar 3 is there. So top bar 3 is there, its end is here. So I come in, I put it there, and I come in and say top bar 4. Top bar 4. Top bar 4. As you see, top bar 4 is there. And I come in and I say, maybe I can escapolate the height a little bit. You know, I'm saying the height is a little bit wide. The header is saying 30 VH. I can come in and increase this one to maybe 40 VH, and I see. But 40 VH, maybe let me just say 35 VH, and I see 35 VH. If it's 30 VH, maybe 35 VH, and I see it looks like. Now the bigger the header, it becomes a little bit very, 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 very big, and then look very nice. So when I come here, and I say this is height. Height is 5 VH, and I see how 5 VH looks like. And I come, I say background, and I say width. Width is 100% of the width, 100%. And I come here and I say background color. I come in, I give you a green. So I come here like this, and I put it's like that. Okay. Okay, it looks like that. Okay. Okay. So everything looks to be somehow nice here, as you can see. So I just want to put this on where there's breadcrumb. So let me say if I increase this one to 10 VH and I start looks like, I want to see something that is happening. Is it what I want it to be? Okay, it looks like that. Okay, and it looks like as if it's exactly what is happening here. Home, everything must go, as simple as that. So that's why there is home and everything must go. So I can come and I put there the breadcrumb. I know there's some technique we normally use for the breadcrumbs, but for now, just for now, we are dealing with front end. Okay? We are dealing for with front end. Of course, the back end is there, but right now, let's first deal with the front end. We shall explain the back end sometime to come. Everything must go. Everything must go. Everything must go. Everything must go. Okay. Okay, as you see, everything is there and you see there. Okay. So as you can come here, you see everything looks to be good. I come here very well, apart from only one thing, and that thing is positioning and putting it in the center. I come here very nice. Say this is display flex. Display flex. Not display contents. Display flex. Align item center. Align item center. Justify content center. As simple as that. Justify content. Justify content. Justify content center. Okay. Okay. So members, as you can see, everything looks to be good so far. Not center, align items. Align items left. Not. I can even just say align items center, but I even don't put justify content center. That one is something that is a little bit tricky, and most people fall for that. Now you're putting that one which is putting things in the center. Okay, that one is good. Then you just come in, you just give here, for example, padding 0, maybe padding 0. Then you put here maybe for the padding maybe 4 rem. Okay, okay. So padding 4 rem makes it start from there. Everything is good there. Everything is good. So I come here and I just move the background color. Maybe the background color, I want to just move this color as you see it there. And the color is already there. The gray, that color which looks to be like as if it's a gray color, it is on the top bar, which is this one here. I don't know if it's the background color. Okay, it's there. So it looks to me it's that one. Okay. So the color is that which looks like that. But okay, we're going to see the color is gray. So I come like this and I remove this one and I put this one. Okay. And I see the color is gray. Color is gray. Okay. Color is gray. Okay. Okay. So everything looks to be good on my side here. Everything is good. So when I come, everything must go. So that's how it is. Just because the size is big, a little bit big. So I maybe reduce the font size, maybe smaller. Font size, maybe I put it to smaller. And I see smaller how it looks like. Okay, everything is great, it's like that, good. It is good, it's good. Let I give here some bit of I know what is happening here. You know, this thing, it tends to become a little bit stubborn, and everything is collaterally inside there. Yeah, okay. We shall fix all those small errors, but for now, everything is like that. Okay. Okay. So, if you are dealing with, for example, like the font size, we shall handle the font size, the font size of everything. So, font size of everything. That when someone asks what about it, everything is good. Everything will be dealt with. Okay. Okay. So now we just have this one. What now? Everything we have been explaining is coming back to us. Okay. Everything we have been explaining comes back to us. We have what they call now the hero section. The hero section. The hero section. Everything that we have explained from the beginning comes back to us. Members, if you don't know what the hero section is, members are everything here. You see now, that's why you have to go back even to. That's why I told you that go back and watch all those videos if you have put there. All those classes that we have had. Okay? Okay. So now everything is like this, everything is good. I have here the hero section is there. Now we have here, this is the hero section that's coming. And the hero section is very easy to deal with. Right now, I can even close the header because I'm done with the header. You see? The header is here. It has all the contents that are inside it. So now I have the hero section coming. It's this one here. We have not yet worked on. I can even close the header now. And now you can see the hero section is there. That's what I'm going to deal with now. So now the header is everything. The header is finished. I don't even need to touch the header anymore. Maybe when I'm dealing with the responsive. But right now the hero section is this one here, which you can see it here. So I'm going to come here and I give it, for example, width. I'm giving width inside the HTML. That is very funny. I come here like this and I see here, for example, I don't know if it's stretching down below. Okay. I can see maybe it's stretching by 10 VH. Let me give it, for example, 60 VH and I see it's stretching below the minimum threshold. I can see now 60 VH is stretching below that one. Okay, let us just say that 60 VH is a little bit complicated. Let's say maybe 65 VH and we see how it looks like. 65 VH. Let me see, it looks like that. Okay. 65 VH is good. 65 VH is good. So 65 VH is where we're going to put our hero section. Okay. So where we're going to put our hero section. So you can see it, members, it's there. So I just come and I just copy that color. As you see, the color is that one. I copy this color, I bring it inside the hero section. As you see, instead of this one which is red, I put that one there. Okay. So as you can see, everything is good. Okay. So my is like that. Okay. So members, this is nice. This is really nice. This is really nice, as you see. So we are now working on the hero section. I come here, the hero section is good. I'm going to put down which is inside the inner container of the hero section. I come here, it says, now I say dot inner container inner hero section, dot inner hero section, dot inner hero section. As you can see, it's there, and I come like this and I say inside the inner hero section. Members, I would suggest if you would like to see more content of this, you can hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay. So it looks like this, the inner hero section. As you can see, it is here. So I'm going to put this one. It's going to be like a inner hero section. You're going to put it inside the hero section. I come here and I copy this one, and I can come here inside the hero section and I say dot hero section, inner hero section. I bring it like this and I say width. I can say maybe 100%, and I come and I give it, for example, height, and I give it, for example, what can be the height be? Maybe 63 VH, 63 VH. Background color, maybe I give it like red. Okay. So red, the background color which is red is okay. I see, I understand. Come here on the hero section here, you give it, for example, padding, the padding 0, then here come here padding 4 as simple as that, so it will push everything there. Okay, so remember, this is nice, as you see it there. Now I need to put some bit of padding which is a little bit good. So this one here, it looks to be a little bit chaotic. It's a little bit chaotic. I can feel it inside here. So I can give here maybe, for example, this is less. Maybe say this is 1 rem. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like that. Yeah, it's okay. I can see. Okay, I can see what is happening. This is not really good, but we are going to see how we can deal with such problems. These problems here happen, and where the browser crashes like this. Okay, man. Now what we are going to do is we are going to reduce that. We are going to go back on the header here. Actually, this one is too big. Like putting 10 VH, it's not working out very well. Maybe let's say maybe this one is, let me say like this is 7 VH, because putting 10 VH on the top bar, which is 4, it looks a little bit okay. Yeah. So we have just reduced like 3 VH. I come here on the header and I reduce this one 3 VH. I can come here and I say this is 32 VH. As you see there, everything goes like that. Okay. So I come here and I come here in the hero section and I increase that one. I come and I increase the hero section. I increase the hero section to maybe 67, 65, 66, 67 VH, and I saw 67 VH. Looks like it's like that. Okay. So you can see that my header is good here. My hero section is in between there, the middle. So increase maybe 68 VH, and I see 68 VH looks like this. Okay, it's good there. As you can see, it's there. It's good as you can see it. So members, the clone looks like this. So I'm going to come in and I just right now I'm seeing it's like it's facing some bit of conflict. It's facing some bit of conflict, as you can see here. I'm seeing some bit of conflict. It's conflicting a little bit, but we're going to see this. And you know, when you scroll here down, there is something which is red. Okay, and that red one appears to be as if it is just from the video here. So you can come here and say this is inner container 1 and this is inner container 2. Okay, this one I'm seeing it looks a little bit good. And it is something that is really funny. Because this one here is looking somehow. But as you can see, we're just going to reduce this one a little bit. I come here, and this height here, is sensitive. I reduce it maybe to 61 VH, and I say it looks like 61 VH. It looks like that. Okay, that is good. So I'm going to come here and now this is the hero section, and now there is another container that is coming here after the hero section. It is about what is it saying here? Weekend sales, weekend price drop. Okay, weekend price drop. I can come and put that container there. It's coming also be after the hero section. Okay, I come here and I said dot price drop. dot price drop. Okay, dot price drop. I want to put that container there so that it puts itself there automatically. Okay, okay. And that one is not even part of the hero section, but just something that I can even. It's not even part of the hero section, but I can just maybe put it there. But here, just below here, dot price drop. Dot price drop. Okay. Dot price drop. As you see, it's there. And I come like this. Then I put, for example, this is width. Width. Let me say maybe 100%. 100%. As you can see it there. And I come and I say height. Height. I don't know how wide this height is. As you can see, when I come here, it starts from around there. Starts from around there and it goes there. So this one looks to be like as if it is something like a 20 VH, 25 VH. And I come and say maybe background color, blue. Okay. Background color blue. Background color blue. Okay. Okay. So also that one has an inner container, but you want to look at that. You want to look at that very nice and you see. So I want to say it looks like okay, it looks like that, okay, it looks like that, okay. Okay. So I want to see, I want it to not, I want it to appear even before we can remove this one, okay. So this is something that is going to be really simple. Once we master this concept, everything is just going to be good on our side. But now there is something that is happening here. Now you can see that now there is something happening here that is something that is a little bit tricky and more canny. You see inside here, it looks like if it's part of the hero section. So that is something that is, hey, some people they may mess up there. I can copy all of this. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all of this. Okay? It looks like this when someone scrolls down, but it becomes like part of the hero section. As you see, it's part of the hero section. It's part of the hero section. So what you can do is very simple. I can come here and I tap on the, that's where the price drop is. So this one I can maybe say this is 60 VH. Or maybe the 58 VH. And I see 58 VH, as you see the 58 VH, it looks like that, okay? Okay. So it looks like if this part is entering the what? The hero section, and it looks like if it's okay. So I come here like this, then I inside the hero section, I come here and I say, can gap work there? Let me see gap. Gap, let me say 1 rem. I see. Can gap work there without display flex? Sometimes it's tricky. Okay, no. So it's very simple. Just come here like this. Then you say here display flex. Then after flex, then say here flex direction column. Flex direction column. Okay. Then I come here and I say this is 1 rem. And you say gap 1 rem. 1 rem, as you see here, 1 rem. Okay. Okay. So gap is 1 rem as you see it there. Okay. Looks like that. Okay. Okay. So something here which is fun. I can come here and I increase the hero section. Okay. Come here and increase the hero section. I come here and I say this one is going to go up to 70 VH down. Maybe 75 VH down. Okay. 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 This one's going to go up to 75 VH down, as you see it there. So it goes like that, it goes down there. So I come here and I give maybe the hero section is going to go maybe up to 85 VH down. Okay. Okay, that's good. This is good. This is good. So I come here and I give it maybe the hero section. I'm going to give it maybe 90 VH. 90 VH. Okay. 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 Looks somehow good. Okay. So this is something that I'm trying to bring. Okay. So not even 90. I can give maybe 95 VH and I see how it looks like. 95 VH. Okay, let me give maybe 100 VH I see. I've been testing these waters. Okay. Something is not happening right. But you're going to see that. Okay? Okay. So I can see here that this one is okay. I come here and in the inner section I give maybe this one 60 VH. 60 VH, okay? Okay. So 60 VH, it's like that, okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, I'm trying to bring out this format here, which is here, down here, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks like that. And I come here, the price drop, I come here and I say this is background color, border radius, I give you and I say this is 3%. I see the border radius is 3%. It's no, okay. Let me say maybe 2 pixels. I see how 2 pixels looks like. Maybe let me say 10 pixels. I see 10 pixels. Border radius, it's looking weird. Okay. I understand now. Understand. Okay, I understand. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. 10 pixels is good. So also I'm going to come here and I give also this one border radius also 10 pixels, and I see it looks like border radius 10 pixels is also good. I come here and price drop. I come here in a container and I give this one border radius 10 pixels, and I see it looks like 10. No, I've seen this one is 10 pixels. It looks better than the percentage. Okay. Okay, remember it's like that. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the hero section is like that even here. So maybe this one looks to be a little bit weird. Maybe I can sense something which are not looking a little bit good. I can say maybe this is 8 pixels. 8 pixels. Okay. Okay. 8 pixels works. Maybe 7. I don't want to make it too much when it's curved. Okay. Okay, that one is good. 7 pixels is good. 7 pixels is good for all of us, okay? 7 pixels is good. The price drop, border radius, this is 10 pixels, this is 7 pixels, okay? Okay. Okay, it's good like that. And also another thing I can maybe do is maybe increase the size of the hero section a little bit. Give you maybe 61 VH or 62 VH, and I see what it looks like. Okay. This is exactly as I wanted it to be. Maybe, no. Let me give it maybe 61. Okay? Okay. So 61 VH means that yes, it's good. Okay? Remember here everything looks nice. Because it shows me that it is something that is entering here. As you see, that's this thing that is entering. Okay? Okay. So now there is something that is happening here, and is what they call clip path. You see, guys? Clip path is here. Yeah? Something which something that relates to clip path around there. Okay. Okay. Here, as you see, this one looks like that. Okay. I can even come and I just get this image here. As maybe this one could even be an image. I come here and save this one. Save this one as an image. Save this one as an image. Okay. Hero image. Okay. I come and save it like this. Okay. Hero image. As you see, it's there. So I'm going to come and bring it here. Hero image. I come and bring it here. My clone is here. So I'm going to come and drop it inside here. Hero image. Okay. So hero image is where it is here. Here. Hero image.jpg. As you can see, it's there. Okay. Wow, guys, this is nice. This is nice, and I come here like this. I just come here like this instead of this background color which is red. As you see, the red is here. See the red is here. See the red is there. I come and just remove the red background color red. Remove it, and I come and say background. It's very complicated URL, and I come here and say dot slash. Not dot slash. Not am I typing? Okay. I come here and I say slash. Hero image JPG. I say background size contain, and I come and say background repeat, repeat, no repeat. Okay, you can even give center, but yeah, okay, it's like that. Okay, so members, guys, everything looks good. My clone is there. My clone is coming out. Okay. So you can come here inside here, and maybe this one which wants to extrapolate this side. I come and I give it maybe the price drop, he wants to misbehave. I see the price drop wants to misbehave. I see this, I see everything. So he wants to misbehave, but I want to see that. You want to see that, you want to see that. So members, as you can see, it looks like this, okay? Okay. So it's having the content, everything is being contained within that one, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this. No need to worry, everything is good. So as you can see, guys, it looks like that, okay? Okay. So the hero section is there, as you see there. So what we can maybe do is just tap on the small details, tap on the small details, okay? Okay. So we're going to just change something small, and everything is going to be nice, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here and I tap on this. You see this one which is here, I'm going to come and tap on this one here. I reduce the size a little bit, the size a little bit. I come here and I say this is maybe this is red, okay? This is red, okay? And it looks a little bit sophisticated. It looks sophisticated to me. I don't know what is happening. I know what is happening. Maybe let me give you some maybe magic. I don't know why it's misbehaving like this, but let me give here margin left, and I see margin left, margin right, margin left, margin right, and I give it maybe 4 rem. Maybe let me give you an additional 2 rem. I see. Can't work out for me there, but at the moment, let's just go with this one. Let's just go with that one. Okay. As you can see, at least everything you can start it's working. So this one maybe you can reduce this one. This one looks look to be a little bit good. Looks to be a little bit ugly here. It's even going beyond even. So going beyond even the statutory place. So I can come here and I say, where is the header? Header is here. So I look for that part where there is cut. That one where there is cut. Okay. Okay. So I don't know why it's misbehaving like that. Top back 3. So it's misbehaving like that in that way. You're going to work on that area very well. So I come on the cut. Let me try to say maybe this is 60, maybe 70 VH, I see. Somehow. Good. If I maybe put here, for example, background color, let me say maybe this is blue. Okay? Let me say that one is maybe blue. Okay, it shows that it's like that. Then when we come here, this one we see, for example, this one here. If I give this one help, and I say maybe this is 60 VH, and I see 60 pixels, then I give you, for example, background color, maybe blue, I see. Blue. Also, this one wants to be the same way. Okay, I understand there is something that is happening that is not good. I actually understand that there is something happening that is not good. Okay. So, members, there's something that is happening that is not good, but we're going to work on that. And I can feel it from within. I can feel it from within. 70, okay, 70 also here. And that one I can feel it, it's called the rem. I don't know why the rem is misbehaving like that. And you see here, okay. If I count maybe 80 VH or 90 pixels, I see. Background color, blue. Okay? And so it looks like. Okay, 90, okay, 95 and you see, 95 pixels. Okay, but let's first leave that one, okay? We shall spend a lot of time on that area, but as long as we are understanding the concept, okay? Okay. So members, we can maybe first ignore that for some time. We shall come back, okay? Okay. So guys, as you can see, we have now finished the hero section. We are now going on there. On this other area here. Are you seeing it? we're now going on this other area here, which is here. Okay. Okay. So we can price drop. We are now here. We can price drop. Okay. We can price drop. Okay. We can price drop. Okay. Okay. So we can price drop as you see it. We can price drop as you see it. Is when it is next here. Okay. Very, very, very good. Okay. Very, very good. We can price drop. I can come here this and I say maybe I just increase the size a little bit. I come here in the hero section. Hero section is where it is here. We can price drop. I come here this and I say maybe it looks big, maybe it's a bit big, but okay, let's just go with that. I can come like this and I reduce maybe the inner, maybe 100 bit was hard, was big. And maybe if I maybe give negative bit and I say this like 90. Okay, looks like that. Okay. Okay, maybe you can go with this. Maybe you can go with this. I come and say we can price drop, save big shop now. Okay. We can price a drop, save big like that. I just put those ones there. I say here the weekend price drop. I say here heading 1. Weekend price drop. Weekend price drop. Drop. Okay. Save big shop now. Save big shop now. I come here and I say save big. This is heading 6. Is it a heading? Oh, it's a good. It's a P tag. Save big. Save big. Yeah, save big. Okay. Save big. Okay. And I come here like this and I say shop now. Okay. There is a button here. Button shop now. Shop now. Okay. Okay. So save big shop now as you see it there. Okay. Okay. So save big shop now as you see the button is there. So as you can see, it looks like this. Okay. So I'm come here and I put it in the center. I come here and I put it inside in the center. I come here, but let me first work on that button. I come inside the price drop. I work on that button very well. I say here button. Button. I come here this and I say width. Do I even need to put width? Okay, maybe just set 250 pixels. I see it looks like. And maybe height. Height, and I give you an example. Height is maybe 100 pixels. I see it looks like. Oh, too big, too huge, too huge. Maybe let me say this is 80 pixels. I see it looks like. Very huge. Very, very, very huge. Maybe let me say this is 50 pixels and this is maybe like 150. I said it looks like. What have I done? Okay, I've entertained. This is 50 pixels, 5 pixels. Yeah. Okay, that one is good. That one is good. So I come here this and I put everything in the center. I come here this and I say display flex, display flex, display flex, align item center, align item center, center, justify content center, justify content center. Okay. Then here flex direction column, flex direction column, flex direction column. Okay. Okay. So remember as you can see, it looks like that. Okay. It's in the center. Okay. Okay, we can price drop self big like that. Okay. Then I come in and give maybe just some gap, or maybe 100. Okay. Now I see what is happening here is not good. I am going to come in and increase the height a little bit. I come here and I give the height. I say maybe the height, the height is maybe like that. That will be it. Can I see? Okay. But it should not show. It should not show. So I see what is happening here. I see everything that's happening. I come in and increase maybe the hero section, maybe 100 page. I ignored that before, but now I see the use of it. Okay. Okay, looks like that. Okay. Okay, it's good. It's good. This one's just like a clone. I'm not mind so much about the inner features of it, but maybe the price will drop. I can come and I just increase the price a little bit. As you see the hero section here, uh, the price drop is looks to be a little bit with it. Maybe I come and I tap on this width and say maybe the width is maybe like 80%. Okay. Okay. So I come and tap on the A and the width is maybe 80%. Maybe yeah. I come and I say this is 90%. I see. It looks like. Okay. Yeah, 90% is there. I come and I say this is 95% and it's here. It looks like. Okay, somehow it's coming out, right? It's coming out. And I come and say this is 96% and you see. Okay, guys, wow. Everything is looking nice. Nice. Okay, so it's starting from me. Okay, everything is nice. So everything is here. Weekend price drop, as you can see. Save shop now. Shop now. I just wanna just make it maybe bold inside. I come here and I increase the size of the button inside. Inside here, I say this is font size. I make it maybe larger. Are you seeing it? Larger. Shop now. I make it maybe larger. Okay. And I make it maybe font weight bold. Okay. Font weight bold. Font weight maybe bold. Maybe 600. Okay. Okay. So it looks like this. It looks like that. Okay. Shop now. Is it like that? Somehow. Maybe I can maybe say this is maybe 500. Looks too bold. Okay, somehow like that. Okay. Okay. So members, you can see like that. Weekend price drop. I see all that. And I come here and say this is font weight. Maybe color. H1 inside. What the H1 is inside? H1 inside this one. I say here color white. Okay. Color white. Okay. Okay. So in as you can see, it looks like that. Okay. We can press drop. As you see, it looks like that. Then save big. The P tag also white. Okay. The P tag also white. Come here, listen. I say this is color. Also, this one is white color. Okay. Okay. So members, as you can see, it looks like this. So you can see, it looks like this. We can price drop is like that. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this. Everything looks nice. Maybe what needs to be tapped on is maybe it looks good. So guys, as you can see, we can price drop is like that. Also here it's like this. Okay. So the only thing we're going to now work on is this one here. Maybe for now, the only thing we may work on is maybe we're going to work on this one here and this one. This area here and this one here. Then we maybe close it off. Okay? Because I'm saying the video is maybe getting a little bit wider and bigger. So we're going to work on this area here and also that area. But this one is very easy. Now, you see this section which is coming here. So no, it's very easy. This one which is coming here is very easy. Okay? Very easy. This section here is coming here. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to come here like this. Let me just get, this is the whole section as you see it here. I can come in and just copy this exact styles as they are on there. I come in and I say body. I come in and I say container 1 and container 2. Okay? Okay. So here the hero is done, the header is done, as you see. And I come here global. Then I come here and I'm now going to put here the container for the one which is going to hold this one, and the container which is going to hold this one for appliances. Okay. Okay. Appliance container, this one. Okay. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I want to work on this section here. This one as you see it here. This one as you see it here. Okay. And this one I can name it anything. I can name it maybe container 1 or categories, because this one looks to be categories. Fridges, maybe just say categories. Phones like that, categories. Okay. Okay. I come here inside the password and I say categories. 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 Categories.scss. Okay. And I come inside the categories.scss and I say this is I say here at import and I come here and I say partials. I say here slash categories. Okay. Okay. So my categories are going to be there. Okay. Okay. So okay, it's there. So I'm going to come here inside the index and I put here, for example, here section is now done. We're now going to a section which is called categories. I come here and I say dot categories. Okay? Okay. Dot categories, as you see, it is there. I come here and I say dot categories is here. I come here like this and I say every the styles there. I see here. I say here dot categories. Categories, and I come and I say this is width 100%, height, and I say this is, let me say 100 VH, okay? And I come and I say background color, maybe let me say red. I enjoy so much of these ones, red, orange, red, like that, okay? I enjoy those ones. So members, as you can see, it looks like, let me just say green, and you see green. Okay. So members, it's green. Okay. I'm seeing something that is weird. Okay. I'm seeing something that is weird. Okay. I'm going to go with that. Okay. No need to worry. I can come and I say this is 20 VH or 30 VH. Okay. In height. 30 VH in height. Okay. So 30 VH is here. Okay, I'm seeing this here. 30 VH in height is there. Maybe let me say 40 VH and see. Okay. So my categories can go here, but maybe my categories are not very big. I realize they're not very big. So let me say 30 and I see 30 VH. Not very big. Okay. I realize they're not very big. So I come here and I say inside inner categories. Okay. Inner categories. And I say inner categories. Okay. Inner categories. Okay. Like that. Okay. It's like that. Okay. And I come here and I say dot inner categories. Dot inner categories. Inside categories, I say dot inner categories. Categories. As you can see, I come like this and I say this is width 100%, height, let me say maybe 29 or 28 VH. I say a background color, maybe blue. Okay, inner categories. Okay, I come here and I say padding 0 and maybe 1 rem, 4 rem. Okay. So outside it looks like okay, something happened here, but we shall deal with that thing. Something happened here. This image here. Something happened on this image. Something happened on that image. Okay, we shall deal with that one. Let me say 96%, and you see. Okay, it looks like that, Looks like that, okay? So I come here and I say inside here. I say display flex, line item center, just 5 point center, just 5 point center. Okay guys, okay. So it looks like that, okay? This is where I'm going to put my appliances, This is where I'm going to put my my categories here. These categories you are seeing here, okay? These categories you are seeing here, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come in and I say dot card. As simple as dot card. Dot card one, card like that, okay? Okay, looks like that, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come in and say dot card, then inside here I'm going to put there is the top card, then there is a bottom card, okay? Okay. So as you see, it looks like this, okay? Okay. And as you can see, it looks something looks to be not okay. Something not okay. Something not okay. Something not okay. As you see here, something is not okay. I feel it. I feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it from within. Okay, let's just go with this. Let's just go with that. Let's just go with that. Let's just go with that. I know why. I know the reason why I'm saying like this. Okay. You're going to now put the categories. You're going to put your cards. I come in and I say card. Card. Maybe let me just say card. Then top card will be top card one. Maybe card one. Dot card one. Then we design card one. Inside the categories here, I design the card one. I say dot card one. Dot card one. Then I come here. I say this is width. Maybe width is maybe like let me say like this is maybe width can be 250 pixels. And I come here and I say this is height. And I come I give it maybe height is maybe let me say 100. No 100. Let me say you give height maybe you give this one to be 100 pixels and maybe this one to be 250 pixels and we see 250 pixels and we see. Okay. Background color pig. Background color pig. Okay. Like that. I want to test the waters. So I want to test the waters and I see. This is a little bit of outrageous in height. A little bit outrageous in terms of height. Let me just use the same height here. Let me set to 28 VH. Okay. Okay. So then I say maybe this is 25 let me say this is 200 pixels. 200 pixels, okay? Okay. So how many cards are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cards, okay? There are 6 cards. So I'm going to come and say card 1, card 2 like that. Card 1. This is card 2. Card 2, as you see it here, I'm going to come here and say this is card 2. Come and copy this. Dot card 1, dot card 2. I come and say this is dot card 2, dot card 2. As you see, this is dot card 2. And I come here and say this is maybe now something is going to happen. It's not happening right. I come and say this display flex. Okay. And I say here gap. Maybe let me say like 0.5 rem. Okay. So it looks like that. Okay. Very small gap in between. It's like that. Okay. So we have seen that they are 6. Okay. They are 6. Okay. They are 6. So remember, this is what you're going to do. And I'm seeing, are they too big for me, or it looks like they are too big. Let me have put something that is small. Okay. I put something that is small, yet these ones are big, very big. Let me say this is 40 VH categories in terms of height. And I come here and I say in a container. I'm saying like they are too big, yet me I'm putting things here small. And I come here and I say this is 35 VH. Okay. This is understandable now. I come here and I say this is 35 VH also. 35 VH. Okay. This is now understandable. Okay. So it's now good. And I come here and I say in between here, I'm seeing now in between the card 1, card 2. Card 2 is also the same, 35 VH. Okay? Okay. So remember, as you can see, it looks like that, okay? So there are 6 cards. Now that's the same thing concept I'm going to do. I'm going to copy all this and put there. There's 6 cards, okay? Come here like this, I copy this card 1 up to card 1, card 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, then this is 6, this is 6, okay? Okay, and I come here and I say this is card 1, card 2, card 3, card 3, and I come and I say card 4, and I come here and say card 5, come here and I say card 6, card 6, okay? Okay. So remember, as you can see, it looks like this, okay? There are 6 cards, eh? Are you seeing, eh? There are 6 cards. Wow, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay? Okay. So this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted, okay? Okay. So when I'm done like this, this, it's very simple. It becomes now very easy on my side, okay? Okay. So what I can do now is I just put top card and bottom card. As simple as that, okay? Top card 1 and bottom card. Come here like this and I say top card and bottom card. I see that, eh? Top card and bottom card, okay? Okay. So I come here like this and I say top card, the top card 1, top card 1, 1. I give it maybe the top card 1. I come here like this, top card 1, top card 1, top card 1. I give maybe width 100%, and height. I think the height I can give maybe like 30 VHIC, 30 VH or 30 VHIC. Background color maybe say maybe yellow. I see yellow, how yellow looks like. Maybe yellow green. I see how yellow green looks like. Okay? Okay. Like that. Okay, this one is good. Then here there are fonts inside the bottom card, okay? So I come in and I say this is bottom card, dot bottom card 2, okay? The bottom card 2, and I come here like this and I say dot bottom card 2, okay? And I come in and I say width, this is 100%, and I come in and I say height, and I come in and I say this is 5 VH, and I say background color, maybe brown, maybe bodywood, okay? Bodywood, okay? Bodywood what? Bodywood, no. Maybe red. Bodywood is not working, not even doing anything. Okay. Bottom card 1. Okay, it's like that, okay? It's like that. So, as you can see, we are now going fonts in the middle. The word fonts in the middle. Come here like this, and I put the word fonts in the middle. Fonts. As simple as that, fonts. Okay? And I come here and I say display flex, align item center, justify content center. Okay? As like simple as that. And you see here fonts like that, okay? Wow, guys, we are one step away. Now after doing this, this is now how easy those things become. Now I come here and I give here, for example, the top card here. Come here, I say border radius or box border radius. I give here maybe 10, maybe 7 pixels. I say it looks like. Okay, it looks like that. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this. After doing something like this, and I come and just put now the image. I remove all these ones, and right now it looks good. I'm just going to copy all these one, all this logic here. You see this logic here? Come and copy it in all these ones here. Just here, I put here 2. Okay. And I come, I put here what is there? Computing televisions, fridges. Computing televisions and fridges. Computing televisions and fridges. Okay. And fridges. Okay. And fridges. Okay. And fridges. Okay. So I come here, I say fashion deals and mobile accessories. Fashion deals and mobile accessories. Fashion deals and mobile accessories. Fashion deals and mobile accessories and mobile accessories and mobile accessories and mobile accessories and mobile accessories, mobile accessories, mobile accessories, okay, like that. Okay, but this one is we are now in 6. We are now in 6. This is 6. This is 6. Okay, 6. Then we go here. This one becomes 5. 5. Okay, 5. And I come here and I say this is 4. Okay, 4. Okay, come here and I say this is 3. Okay, 3. Okay, 2 is there. This is 1. Okay. So members, guys, you can see this one is nice. So now what is left of us is only one thing we need to do, and that one thing is to get this this one here and just copy it as it is. Copy it as it is. Okay. Copy it as it is. I come, I copy this, and I place it there. Inside the card 2, I place it there. Okay. I say here this is 2. This is also 2. Okay. I come here, I say this is 3. Also here is 3. Okay. And I come here and I say this is 4. And I also put here 4. Okay. Also here I put here also 4. And I come here and I copy this also 5. Where there is 5. And I also put there 5. Top card here 5. Also here 5. Okay. So like that. And I come here 6 and I also put that one 6 there. 6. Like that. Okay. So this is 6 as you see it here. It's also 6. So members, as you can see, it looks like that. Okay. So everything I want to see how everything looks like that. Okay. Fashion deals like that. Okay. So guys, as you can see, it looks good. Looks somehow good. It's good. I come in and I just suddenly say I erase the color and maybe just wait for the images. Okay. Erase the color and wait for that's the principle. Erase the color and wait for the images. Okay. I erase the background color which is here. Erase the background color. Erase the background color. I'm going to erase all the colors now, eh? I'm going to erase all the colors. I'm going to erase all the colors. I come here and I erase this color here. See? That color is there, I erase it, okay? Okay. So I erase the color which is there. I'm also going to erase the color which is blue. I'm also going to erase the color which is green. Color which is blue, I erase also the color which is green, okay? So that one is this color here, which is green, is the color which is here. You see the color which is here is that one. So I'm going to come here and just copy this one here, copy that color, and bring it now here. Instead of that green one, I put this one here. Okay? Okay, it's there. As you can see, it's there. Okay? Okay. So it's there. Okay? So we are left with only one thing, and that thing is that one. Okay? Okay. So when I hover, I'm going to work on those hover features, but for now, as you can see, I want you to just mark something. This one here is here. Let me first show you. When you come here, for example, like here, I'm going to remove this red. Okay, and I remove also the pink. So I left with only that color which is up there on the up part. So I come and remove also this pink here. And I come and also remove this red here, as you see the red is here. Okay? Then I come and I remove also this red here which is here. And I come and also remove this pink which is here. Okay? Okay. Now members, as you can see, it looks like this. Okay? We are removing this red, also this one here is there. So I come and I remove also this one. This red which is here. This one which is here. Then we also remove the pink which is there. Okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, the red is here, and also the pink, we have removed it. Okay? Okay. So we are left with only that area where there is the image is coming. Okay? So this one is maybe this is 4. Maybe the pink is still there. Okay, it's like that. It's like that. Okay, it's like that. So members, as you can see, is everything looks to be good so far. Everything looks to be good so far. As you can see, it's there. Just want to bring these images. I can come and just get this one, this image here. I know whether this image is good. I don't know whether it's good there. That image. Let me just get that one. Save image as phone. Okay? Phone.png file. I bring it. Phone.png file. I don't know whether it's okay. It's good there. It's there. Phone. It's there. So I come and I put it there. I come and I say here categories. Inside the card 1, card 2. As you see here, this is card 1. Instead of this background color which is yellow green, I come and I put there background. Background, I say here URL, and I say here //or/phone.png. And I come and I say background size contain. Okay, and I come and I say background position, background repeat, background size, background position. Maybe background size contain and background position size cover. And if this is, let me say here, background repeat none, no repeat. Okay, like that. Okay, okay. So it looks like this. Okay, guys, this is really nice. This is really nice. As you can see, it's there. It's there. It's there. It's really nice. As you see, it's there. Okay, okay, it's really nice. As you can see, it's there. So I'm going to come here and listen. I go here, computing, the one computing also televisions, and I say here save. Computing. Okay, computing. Okay, and I save. Then televisions. I also download one for televisions. Televisions. Okay, televisions. Okay, and I also get one for fridges. Save image as fridges. Okay, I also get this one for fridges. Okay, and I save. And I get this one for fashion deals. Save image as fashion deals. Fashion deals. Okay, I save that one. Then mobile accessories. Save image as mobile accessories. Mobile accessories. Mobile accessories. And I save that one also. Okay? It looks like that. Everything looks good to be good. Okay? Okay. Everything looks to be good. Okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, we are going to just now get those images and put them inside here. Beginning with computing, maybe let's just go like that. Put all of them inside my Jumia Clone here. All of them inside there. Okay? Okay. So televisions, also that one is there. Okay? Okay. So now just look at here and I say which one comes next. Computing. Okay? Computing. It's coming here. It's coming there. I come here and I say, where is top card? Where is top card 2? Where is top card 2? I just want to come and copy all this. Move this color here. And now I put this one. Slash televisions. Okay, like that. Okay, so the message looks like, wow, guys, it has come. Computing. Now I know what I've named. It was this one? Computing. Okay. I just renamed it badly. This is laptops. This is televisions. Laptops. It's computing. Computing with PNG. Okay. Answer it looks like. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Then televisions next. Televisions next. Televisions next. There's PNG and we see. Okay. Then fridges next. Fridges is the one which is next. I come here like this. Here. Then I come here and I say fridges. Fridges, as you see here. Slash fridges. Okay. PNG. Like that. Okay. Then I come here and I say fashion deals and mobile accessories. Fashion deals and mobile accessories. Come like this. And I say here fashion deals and mobile accessories. Fashion deals. Okay, and mobile accessories. Okay. Okay. So mobile accessories is where? Is here. Here. Is here. Okay. Okay. So it's there. Mobile accessories. this is how it is. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay. Okay. So members, my clone is already like this. Okay. So maybe I can just come in and I put here this font here. It looks to be a little bit awkward. Let me just come here and say Poppins, Google Fonts, Google Fonts. Look for Poppins, Poppins. Okay. No, 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 no. Look for Poppins here and you see. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Maybe Montserrat and you see. Maybe Montserrat would be good. Just get this font and you see. But no, not. And the Poppins, and the Poppins, and the Poppins. Maybe get font and you see. But Montserrat is not very good. Montserrat is not very good. So let's just see here. So members, as you can see, our clone is here. The actual website for Jumia is here. As you see it, it's here. The actual website is here for Jumia, but now we are going to end here for the interest of time. But you guys, you can see that at least we have reached this area here, as far as we have reached here. Okay, okay. And you can see my clone is here, and I have reached, as far as I'm concerned, I've reached here. You see, here. Okay. We moved together. We started with this. As you can see, the original is here. The original is here. So we started with the top bar. The top bar is here, as you see it. Then we went to this one here. The second top bar is here. Then we went to the third top bar. The third top bar is here. Then we went on the fourth top bar is here. Then we went to the hero section, which is here, and the hero section also here, as you see. Then we moved together and we went up to here. Weekend price drop, which is, you can see is there, and also here. Weekend price drop is also here. The micron is here. Okay. Then we moved together and we moved until we have reached here on this part here. Okay, where there are these categories. Also here, categories are here. As you see, them they are here. Okay. Okay. So members, this has been very great. We're not going to exceed because of interest of time to go below the other parts because of interest of time. But guys, this is to show you that we can do this right now. Eh? We can build something like this. Okay, we can build something like this. Okay, okay. So members, it has been very great working with you. Front end, we have covered really a lot. We have covered really a lot, and we have concluded front end today. Okay, okay. So members, we have concluded the front end today in today's class. Eh? So watch out for your next coming video. Next coming video is going to be day 31, as you see. It's going to be day 31. It's going to be day 31, and you're going to begin looking at JavaScript. Okay? You're going to begin looking at JavaScript. Okay? JavaScript. Okay? Okay. So members, in our next video we shall look at this. So members, if you haven't yet subscribed, you can please hit the subscribe button, then you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay? Okay. You can please hit the subscribe button, then you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay? Okay. So this is how we're going to begin looking at this JavaScript you're seeing here is pure backend. Is backend. It is backend. Okay? It is backend. It's a backend programming language. Okay? So begin looking at backend. This is JavaScript. Okay? So members, I would not like you to miss out. You can hit the subscribe button. That will be updated with any video that comes forward. Okay? Okay. So this is day 31. We shall look in our next class. But we have completed front end. This is showing that you can manage to build something like this, which is already existing, like Jumia. Okay? Okay. So members, have a nice day.